All right, another thing I want to show you is how to make a graph on Desmos, specifically a graph that you're working with. Now let's say that I'm working with our previous graph, the one from all these videos, and that is 3x squared minus, okay, let me just type it in, 3x squared minus 5x plus 1. Voila. Easy as that. You can go ahead and screenshot that, right, for your function. Take a screenshot of it. And voila, you have your data. Now you're saying, oh, well, I don't really know if they're equal. Like, because we had it in standard form, but then we converted it to vertex form. I just want to see if they're the same. Well, if you look here, the vertex looks, let's see, it looks like it's at 0.8 comma negative 1.08. So it looks like it's at 0.8. The vertex looks like it's at 0.8 and negative 1.08. Well, if we wanted to compare between what we got, right, between what we got right here and from our calculation and then what we got from Desmos, what's the difference? Well, it looks like 5, 6 is less than 1, right? It's less than 6 over 6. That's probably 0.8. And it looks like negative 13 over 12 is more than 1, just slightly. This is negative 1 and 1/12. Well, that's probably it right there. So that's a quick way of verifying if you're doing something right. I plugged in my standard form equation right here, my standard form equation, into Desmos, and received this vertex here, which matched up with the vertex from my vertex form. So everything checks out. Lastly, all I could recommend for your project is simply do a 2 by 2 image, right? 2 images on one PowerPoint slide, where one is a picture / video, right, of whatever it is that you're doing. Let's say that you're shooting a basketball and that basketball is going up, right, and then down into the hoop or whatever, right? And then compare it to whatever graph that you got, right? Hey, I got, and let me just erase this. You know, hey, Mr. G, this is what my graph looked like. And make sure it looks pretty similar. The axis. Make sure the axis looks similar. Notice I erased the other one because it wasn't similar. And then your parabola should look fairly similar. Okay? And then if you could just include the vertex, label the vertex, whatever it is, right? This, comma, this, right? And then label your other points that you use to make that. Oh, Mr. G, I used this point, and this point. Okay, label those points as well. And that's it. You have it done. You have it made. And you could have got this from Desmos, right? And if you want, you could just take a picture of whatever you got from Desmos and then edit the photo to include these 3 points right here. And then any annotations that you may have. All right, if you have any questions, let me know in class, and I will see you next time.